A 17-year-old crashes his dad's Pagani Huayra. The new 2022 BRZ has been revealed. All of this and more on today's episode, feels so good to say this, of Sinclair News. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sinclair News. I'm your host, AJ, Sinclair Photos, and today we have a interesting one for you guys. But we are back. Sinclair News is back, and if you guys like this video and are glad that we brought the series back, make sure to let me know by smashing that like button and commenting down in the comment section below. Feels super good, but we have to get into today's story. As you might have known, if you were on the internet at all last night, my friends GG Exotics and Ride with Rye were involved in an accident in the Pagani Huayra Roadster. The only purple carbon Huayra Roadster, to my knowledge, in the entire world has now been crashed. Now, before you go throwing all your hate in the comment section below, I don't know the whole story yet, but we're gonna get that video today. I DM'd Riley and GG Exotics last night and made sure they were okay. They both were, and GG Exotics told me that he's dropping his video explaining everything today, and he even said he got some good footage. Whatever that means, he might have filmed the crash, he might have just filmed everything going around it. We'll have to wait and see. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to head over to his channel and I guess be eagerly awaiting the arrival of that video. I'm gonna put some pictures and exclusive videos up on the screen right now, but as you can see, this thing looks absolutely smashed up front. The back, really not too much, but I mean, that front driver's side had to have hit something going pretty quickly, or hit something stopped going right into it really fast. So my thoughts is I think he might have just like accidentally slid out the back and lost control, but we don't know. So we're going to be waiting for his video today. But let me know what you guys have to say about that. The one-of-one purple carbon Huayra Roadster, the Joker, is no more. Well, we actually don't know if it is no more. Maybe insurance can cover it. Maybe Horatio will rebuild it back up. But the good thing is, out of all this, is that they are okay. And no matter how much the car costs, a car is just a car. And a human life is worth way more than any car in the entire world. I'm just interested in what his dad has to say, because if it was my purple carbon Huayra Roadster and my kid went out and it got in an accident, I would not be very happy. But once again, we'll have to see GG's video on how everything goes, and I'm very eagerly awaiting that. Let me know what you guys have to think about that in the comment section below. But now on to the second story. Our second story today is coming from none other than Subaru. As you know, a long time ago, whenever Scion was still a thing, Subaru and Scion came together to make the BRZ FRS platform. And sadly, whenever Scion went out of business, Toyota took over and renamed the FRS the 86. So when we just got brand new spy shots, I guess they're even just like straight up leaks of the 2022 BRZ. Now, I'm gonna put some up on the screen. Just think about it in your head. Think, if you haven't seen already, what do you think it's gonna look like? Boom. Here it is, fellas, the 2022 Subaru BRZ. The FRS has not been announced yet. Well, I mean, I guess the 86 has not been announced yet. So we just know what the BRZ is gonna look like. let me know what you guys think about this. Sadly, I do not know why Subaru did not listen to the community and they did not slap a turbo on this thing, but it is the same. I think it was a 2.25 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine, naturally aspirated, and I think it said pushing about 225 horsepower. That's probably to the crank, so it would be under 200 to the wheels once again. So you're pretty much getting the exact same car with some stylistic changes and maybe some interior upgrades as well. There's a whole bunch of pictures. I'll just cycle through them on the screen. We got a couple of the interior. It will be offered in a manual, so I mean, it has that going for it, but even Nissan listened and brought back the 400Z or the Proto Z or whatever it's called with a manual, and it's twin turbo, I believe. So I don't think that these are going to go flying off the shelves as fast as the 400Z is, and with the stylistic features, who knows. I see a lot of Lexus in this car at the very side angle. Kind of looks like a Civic from the back. Kind of looks like a Viper if you put on the side and look at the front. And then the front just itself, I don't really know what that looks like. It's pretty unique, I'd have to say. But let me know what your guys' thoughts on these are. What do you think about the Huayra getting crashed in Dallas, Texas? And what do you think about the new 2022 Subaru BRZ? I'd love to know. Let me know if you guys want this series to come back. I love filming it just when actually there's good news to film on, like there is today. I got so many DMs last night asking me what happened, what is if they're okay, la 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 la, they're my friends. Yes, and we're gonna see what happened in his video today. We're gonna get through it, and I know there will be big things coming for that garage very soon. So with that in mind, I want you to have a wonderful rest of your day. We are going to have our regularly scheduled video later on today, 4:30 Central Standard Time. So get ready for that one. This was just a little extra bonus one for you guys to see if you guys want Sinclair news back in action, baby. We got the Blue Bunny merch also going on that will be dropped very soon. Exclusive sneak peek for those at the end of the video. We got the Hoop-de Crew. I hope you could see that. But coming very, very soon. Let me tell you that right now. So thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. It means a whole lot to me. You guys are the real OGs of the channel. If you did like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.